Guess what, guys? I can't buy set anymore. I'm making a braided wig. Yes, it's braided wig using French curl extensions. For those of you that are new here, my name is Precious, and I do lead with editing tips, lifestyle content, how to grow your hair, with everything. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
First things first, my white paper so I can see the holes of the net I'm ventilating. So there is a full lace cap. I already went ahead to start ventilating because this takes time. So let's recap how to ventilate again. You pick 2 to 3 strands of hair, pass it under the loop, and you knot. This is not very clear, but I have tutorial videos of how to ventilate beginners friendly. So do yourself a favor and check that out. And I'll always braid this down so it can be easier for me to make. And this is how my full lace came out to be. This is the result. This is how we look. Are you seeing the material?
This is the French curl, guys. I'm super excited, and I'm going to be delivering this wig to the man on Tuesday, as on the 9th. So we have work to do. Work to do.
So let's unbox this together. French curls extension are very slicky and they tangle a whole lot. So when you want to use this to braid, you get your leave-in conditioner, you get your water, and you use it as a detangler. This is my full lace cap. I made down everything so when I want to braid it to be way easier. And this is my French curl extension. Put in my detangler, and are you seeing how easy it is to separate? That's what I'm talking about. So it's time to braid. I'm loosening this up and I'm braiding. I'm doing knotless braids. So I'll just allow you to watch what I'm doing, and anywhere that needs to be explained, I'll do just that. We're done with the back braids and the curls are coming in place. That's what the curls. Just have to go, and we're done with this full lace. So let's go over this again. For those of us that don't really know how to braid or don't know how to do knotless braid. So one thing with knotless is that you're going to start with the hair, then as you go you're adding and you're increasing. So you start with the hair, you pick very small, then you add up. It will be like ×2 of the small one you picked. Then the third one, I'm adding 3 times. Then the third one you pick ×3 again. You start with the hair, add the small one, then add the one that is double of it, then add another one that is triple of it. That's what I did, and it's small. So you will know the quantity that I add. It won't make the hair look too heavy. So let's watch. Let's go over this again. You start with the hair, you add the little, you add the double of it, and then you add triple of it. That's it, as simple as that. And then you braid. And when you're doing French curls, we don't tie them out, so you have to make your braid very strong because it is too loose at the ending. So you braid tight braids, and then you leave it like that, because even if it tight, the time will make it look very tacky. Trust me, I've been there and I don't want you to experience that. It will make it look very tacky and then it will still loose. So But are you seeing these guys? Are you seeing those yummy curls? Are you seeing the material? Because I'm seeing the material. Okay, so I'm done with it, and this is how a full lace looks. This is how it looks. Braiding this took me 3 days at least, because I had other works to do. So, but on a good day, 2 days. But yeah, see this, I had to correct the other part of the full lace because it was too in. So I corrected it, and then this is how it looks. Guys, I'm in love. So we started trimming the hair, so to give me this neat look that I need and I'm looking for. But guys, let's use 1 minute to admire this hair. I see it. See how neat it is. Anyways, we're trimming, still trimming, and now we're done. I added very realistic baby hairs. Very realistic. I used a whole different pattern for ventilating because it was human hair. So human hair ventilating pattern is different. Are you seeing how realistic this looks? Are you seeing this, guys? Are you seeing this? Look at the neat braid. Look at it. The braids are neat, everything. And then I had braids on, so my beautiful melanin sister had to do the testing for me. I trimmed some excess hairs that were still coming out, and look at these guys. This is the back, and then I packed the order up for our beautiful clients. Tell me the truth, you like that wig, Abby? So you like that wig, but you can't make it yourself. You want to save yourself the stress of doing it. That's why I'm here for you. Use this WhatsApp number, active anytime, any day. Let's recreate this beautiful piece for you. And for those of you that stay to the end of this video, you're MVP. Thank you. I love you. See you on my next one. Bye.